what do you guys see in the space right here? Is there anything here in volume profile? Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, there's a big old gap.
There's a big old gap. So what they're probably going to do is they're going to pretend that this little. So now what else I did is I grabbed that low from July 18th to the high here as well, and you see that there's a little bit of volume shelves here as we're going up, right? As we're going up, there was some buying. So most likely they're going to try, to defend these tiny low levels for 1468. Then you have a low level here, which is 1347. And these are the levels where you can expect a bounce, but doesn't mean you go long. Our go long level will be this POC, guys, here, right here at 410, 411 area, because that's where we can expect the buyers to really show up. Because if you look at this whole section here, the next section from, where I grabbed it from, where is this? July 18th, the POC is here. So if you shift this a little bit down, let's say to this area, the POC still stays in that area. So that tells you the highest accumulation of the buyers was there. If we do break this 410, like we talked in the watch list, you have this little area. You see this little area right here? Well, that was bad. Right here, you see this little area on the volume profile? Both of these match. So it tells you that this is a critical level here. Right now, we're going to enter a little bit of chop, price up, down, blah, blah, blah. But the 410 is level where we actually buy. We will go into the calls and not play the puts. You want to be buying with these short sellers, and that's what I keep telling you guys. Play like they play. A lot of you guys freak out about ad advancing, declining over 10 points. Here's ad on 45 minutes. Would you go long here? I mean, guys, I'm asking a question here. So if you look at this, here's your ad on the daily right now. It's a negative 2200 in the past couple of days or months. So let's take a look. There's only been a couple of days that were worse than this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what makes you think you're going to get a huge reversal here? There's no reason for reversal yet. And when it pops up a little bit like this, it had a dump, and then, just think, okay, sure, you can get some calls if we break, here for a quick scalp of 10, 15%. So this is the number of stocks that are advancing above their previous day close. How many stocks are higher than their previous day close? So if you go on SPY, where's the previous day close on SPY? Telling me. Nobody. Where's the PVC? It's a 422.14. We are about $8 away from the close. So of course, everything's getting dumped. If you look at Amazon, it is getting dumped now. It might get a little bounce here right below the orb low. Sure, it might get a bounce, but we are still in negative territory, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Advancing and declining is on a bigger scale. That's number of stocks that are advancing, declining compared to the previous day close. So no need to freak out. It's pegged. When it's pegged at negative 2200, there's no way that it can just all of a sudden. I mean, think about it. 2200 stocks have to find buyers right now to go positive. You think that's easy to find all these buyers to take it positive for all these stocks? Yeah, it's kind of impossible, guys, to find that. So it might get a little bounce here and there, but it's not gonna go, instant up. What some of you might be expecting. So I just wanted to explain that and use the volume profile. Even today, man, it was just too easy not to grab those shorts where I was telling you. So here's earlier. Let me see. Let me go 10 minutes. So here, why did I say earlier it's a good short right here? Let me just kind of go in 10 minutes, see if it picks it up now. Look at this level right here that I had, 41.78. as we're approaching here, it was pushing back to this level, and then if you turn the SVP on, look at this right here. As we pushing up, there was a POC, there was a little shelf, they dumped it up, and now you can expect this value area low to potentially be the rejection as well, 41.61. So just use the levels that you have. I mean, and don't be scared to hold the position just because somebody told you it's going to dump or not going to dump. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys. And if you have questions, just ask. But no reason to be so trigger happy on everything. Now it's kind of, you let them play out. You let them do what they want to do. Let them play, and then we'll watch for another setup. You won't get a setup for a little bit. Okay. All right, guys. Well, hopefully that helps. I'm gonna go take a break. Don't overtrade. Don't give your profits away. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Don't be stupid. No, I'm not frustrated. I'm frustrated because people don't listen, and I don't know how to tell you guys. There's no reason to be panicking, and being negative on yourself doesn't do much better. You being negative constantly on yourself reflects in your trades too, right? Oh, I'm negative this, I'm negative here, and of course, then you're gonna go to the grave negative too. You might as well just not trade. All right, guys. Well, I'll catch you later. I will not force trades right now. Play the trend, right? So even if I was to delete literally everything here, just play the trend that you're seeing here on ES. So if you grab 10 minutes right here, here's your, sell-off is right here. So look, just watch this level right here, 40.70, or if you want to bet, this 41.72 is most likely going to be a rejection here. So just watch it and play. All right, guys.